Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Hummer H3 Alpha. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hummer has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.